Hi everyone, it's Tara with Secret Bee Studio, and I'm here to give you a little inspiration on how to create a beautiful love letter mini album just like this one, featuring the gorgeous and romantically themed Kissing Booth paper collection from Simple Stories. This sweet mini scrapbook features lots of envelopes and a couple of pockets and even an interactive pull-out. So there are plenty of pages for photographs, mementos, and love letters. So the base of my album starts with two chipboard covers for the front and back, and I cut them at 7 inches each just to be big enough for the die that I'm going to be using. I used the pattern papers of the collection and cut 3 pieces to 7 inches square for the chipboard covers, front and back. So for the front cover of my chipboard, I covered both the inside and outside. And then because the chipboard is white, I flipped that over and will cover just the back with one piece of the patterned paper. Then you can use your favorite adhesive. I prefer a glue stick, and make sure that you adhere the paper well to both sides of the chipboard. If you're using patterned paper that needs to go in a certain direction, make sure that you adhere both sides correctly so that one side is not upside down. I'm going to be cutting my chipboard with a large steel rule die like this one from AccuCut, and I'm going to be using a Big Shot Pro to do this. There are alternative ways to make covers for your album, and just keep that in mind. I'm also going to create an accordion file for the center of my mini scrapbook, and I'm going to take one of the pattern pieces of paper and cut it to 4 inches by 12 inches. You can cut yours depending on whatever size you're making your mini album. The next step is to score that at 1-inch increments down the whole 12 inches of the piece of paper. Then take that and accordion fold it into sections. This will create a flap for all of our envelopes and pockets to attach to inside the mini scrapbook. I'm going to bind my album together using a cinch and some 5/8 inch wire. This is the covers after I have punched the holes, and then I'm going to adhere that accordion piece to the center of both the front and the back cover, and then use a crocodile to cut the holes in the accordion. I did have some difficulty. That was a pretty thick piece of paper, so if you have a large crocodile, that would be better. Here is the album all bound together with the accordion piece in the center, and you can see that I have plenty of slots available to attach envelopes and pockets. I also wanted to give mine a little bit of a distressed look, so I used some distress ink and rubbed that all around the edges using vintage photo and antique linen. The next step is to use a scoreboard, an envelope punch board, and assorted dies to create all shapes and sizes of pockets and envelopes for your mini album. I will not be giving you directions on how to create any of these pockets or envelopes, and I will not be giving you any sizes because I just want this to be inspiration for you to create your own pockets and envelopes for whatever size of mini you create. Enjoy the show. Well, there's your inspiration video, and I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope this inspires you to create a love letter mini of your own and have it ready in time for Valentine's Day to give to that one special person or as a gift to a really special couple. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you next time.